આવા કોવિડના સમયમાં તમે બધા મારા નિરાળી અને પ્રયાંકના લગ્નમાં આવીને જે હેલ્પ કરી અને જે અમારા પ્રસંગને શોભાવ્યો છે એ બદલ આપ સૌનો ઘણો ઘણો આભાર. Prayank, welcome to you in our family. We love you to both. And now both just pray to God, Swami Bapa, and just stay like a some સ્વભાવ એકતાપણું અને આપનો સંસાર ઘણો સુખી રહે એ બદલ આપ સૌને બેઉને ખૂબ ખૂબ અભિનંદન. જય સ્વામિનારાયણ.
Go on talking for hours and days about the crazy times we've had. And I have seen you grown up to be a gentleman with the kindest soul, who is trustworthy and loyal. My mom would tell me that you're just like your dad, and we would truly see a reflection of your sweet dad in you today. And I know that today they're both looking down on you with incredible pride and happiness. We're all so proud of you. Frank, I will cherish all those memories forever, and I know we will be making more with Nirali. I would like to congratulate both of you on this new journey. I really can't give you advice on marriage. I think your friends will do that. But I can tell you that any relationship has a foundation based on friendship, trust, honesty, and love, which you both already have. We're so happy to be here to celebrate this day with both of you. We waited an entire year of this crazy pandemic to be here. We almost got 2 weddings planned. And I know that they're not physically here, but they're here with us in spirit, showering you with lots of happiness and lots of love.
Growing up, I always wanted to be like Evie. She's caring, she's smart, she's fun, she's confident. The list goes on. You know, I copied her every move, and she can attest to them. Yes. She hated it, but I loved it. There's so much I've learned from her throughout the years, and there's so much I look up to her for. And one of the main things is that she goes above and beyond for the people she loves. And anyone who knows her can attest that. She's a phenomenal person, but when I met Brent for the first time, I instantly loved his genuine and down-to-earth personality. And even more than that, I love the way he treats my sister. I could not find a better match for her. Both Nirali and Prayank complement each other's personalities perfectly, and to call Prayank lucky is an understatement. Both of you are lucky to have found each other, and we're very excited to have you join our family, Prayank.
सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में सनन सनन जाए रजिया करबे की रात में चूड़ी खनकाई तूने आधी ही बात में
करबे की रात पिया धड़के मेरा जिया कह देना आज तू है मेरे संग
ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे भैया घिर 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 के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ। घिर 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 के आई बारिश बरसात माँ, उड़े 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 जिया गोरी तेरे साथ माँ।
नैनों की डोरी से हाय खींचे क्यों चोरी से हाय, नैनों की डोरी से खींचे क्यों चोरी से ऐसे मुझे तड़पाए। हाँ गरबे की रात पिया धड़के मेरा जिया, कह देना आज तू है मेरे साथ।
ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे, ढोलीना ढोल वागे 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 रे, भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे, भैया माँ वागे वागे ढोल वागे रे।
ढोलीरा 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 ढोली 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 वागे, ढोलीरा ढोलीरा वागे ढोलीरा।
दिल धड़काए और सीटी बजाए, हाय दिल धड़काए सीटी बजाए, बीच सड़क पे नखरे दिखाए सारे हो करके इशारे। हो लड़की हो लड़की हो लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे आंख मारे, ओ लड़की आंख मारे।
जहाँ जहाँ जाऊँ मेरे पीछे पीछे आए, गली गली के आशिक दोगा मेरा होना चाहे।
हाय जहाँ जहाँ जाए तेरे पीछे पीछे आए, हम तो है दीवाने तेरे तेरा होना चाहे।